Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account, step by step, directly from the TikTok app. Whether you're quitting social media, switching to a new account, or just want a fresh start, deleting your TikTok account is very simple. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Account, and here you can see Deactivate or Delete Account option. Tap on that. There are two options in this menu: Deactivate or Delete. If you want to leave TikTok temporarily, you can choose Deactivate. But if you want to delete your account, you should choose Delete Account permanently. As per the title, since we want to delete, select Delete Account. And select a reason if asked or skip it. Tap Continue. TikTok will now show some important info, like, do you want to download your data? If you want download, tap Request Download. Then check the round icon below. Tap Continue. But there are a few important things you should know first, before you delete your account. 1. Once you request to delete your account, TikTok gives you a 30-day grace period. 2. During these 30 days, your account is deactivated, and it won't be visible to others. 3. If you log back in within 30 days, you can restore your account. 4. But if you do not log in for 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted, and TikTok cannot recover it, ever. 5. You will lose access to all your videos. Tap Continue. If you use an email or phone number, the verification code will be sent to your email or SMS address. Check your email and SMS now to get the code when you get it. Type the code, then tap Delete Account. Finally, tap Delete to confirm. That's it. Your account is now in deletion mode. And that's how you permanently delete your TikTok account from your iPhone or Android. Simple and fast, but make sure it's the right decision before you go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.